Do you guys have a Kenmore Elite refrigerator that quit working? Well, did you know that they're made by LG and there was a class action lawsuit against these compressors going bad? That's your compressor. And to repair this is about $600 because they got to take it out, replace it, resolder the lines, put new parts on it. And sometimes if you kick this compressor, it starts rattling something fierce. Let's see if we can get it to work. It was trying to turn a little bit in there, but something is broke inside there, and that's a shame that you have to pay $600 to fix this Kenmore Elite, or you have to send it to the scrapyard. Like, I don't got $600 to put into this fridge. I already have a refrigerator. And if I did put $600 into it, could I even sell it for $1,000? Probably not. It's a shame we're in a throwaway world.